This is a little robot. Can you read me? I repeat, can you read me?
This is our own sound-powered phone. I think it's pretty cool that I can talk to my brother.
And I think it's cool how I can talk to my sister when I'm inside and when she's outside.
So here I'm soldering extra lead wire to, what do we call this thing?
A transducer wire.
That's right. The transducer will convert sound into electrical energy.
That's pretty amazing.
What are we adding here? What's on the end of these? What do we call these?
Alligator clippers.
Alligator clips, that's right. And here we're going to use the oscilloscope to test our setup.
Ooh, it looks like you can see the sound waves on that tiny little screen.
Yep, it's plotting the electrical signal.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Test.
We should make some more sound-powered phones.
Yeah, that way we get to eat more snow cones.
It's time to go home. I repeat,